How to use the accessory function on the Avid Armor Ultra Series 1 chamber vacuum sealer. It's super simple to vacuum seal external canisters, jars, or containers using the accessory port on the Ultra Series 1. All you have to do is place one end of your accessory hose into the accessory port located on the back left-hand corner of the sealer. Then you're going to connect the other end of the hose into your canister or container, and make sure that on the canister that your lid dial is rotated to seal. Then all you have to do is press the auto vacuum seal button and hold it down for 2 full seconds. This is going to automatically activate the accessory port and put your canister under vacuum. Once the canister is completely vacuum sealed, it will automatically shut off the vacuum, and then you can remove your hose from the canister lid. Now it's completely vacuum sealed and ready for storage.